Olha a explosão, quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão.
The Dutch cycle more than any other nation in the world, almost 900 kilometers per person. But that also means we have 350,000 bike-related injuries. Now imagine that we would make biking safer, smarter and easier by applying self-driving technology to biking.
We taught our self-driving bike to figure out where it is, what's around it, what will happen next, and what it should do. We leaned on Google's expertise in self-driving cars, but we had to adapt the technology to work on a bike. We decided to add 2 additional features. First, you can request the bike to pick you up wherever you are, and we developed a comfort mode, adjusting the pedals to a perfect resting position.
I think the self-riding bike could really give a boost to the economy because people could also work on their bicycle. You work in your office, you work in your home, you work in your car. You could even work on your bike.
I have so much more time. My kids love it. They're just free. They can go anywhere they want, anytime they want. It's amazing.
At the Fietsersbond, we feel that this is the biggest invention since the invention of the bicycle itself.
At Google, we always put our users first. With the launch of this bike, we believe we do that again.
Imagine the perfect balance between technology, versatility, and Italian design. Imagine Trilix's light alloy space frame, designed for maximum agility, and thanks to the quick and safe foldable system, easy transportation. We developed this e-bike to maximize stability and silence and let you zoom through any day with no efforts and for as long as you like. But there's more. We built Trilix with high-quality suspensions, premium leather saddles, and 2 types of quick switchable tires. Enjoy a bump-free ride wherever you are with no restrictions. And to keep you safe on the road, we got you covered with multiple positioning lights, a rear-view camera, and optimized disc brakes. Because we want you to have fun and truly enjoy the Trilix without worries. Discover the exclusive media system capable of satisfying any of your needs. Amplify your passions. Join the Trilix revolution.
This is Rubbee. It's an adapter that turns a manual bike into an e-bike.
Well, one day, I thought that it would be awesome to have an electric bicycle. I saw it as a challenge and decided to build it myself.